In both the circles, we'll write 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Zed, please read second question also.
5.
Second question. 9 multiplied by
9 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by
dash
8.
is equal to 18. So we should multiply 9 with which number so that we'll get 18?
2.
Yes, because 9 2s are 18. So we'll be writing here 2. And in the next circle, what we'll write?
2.
Yes, 2 again, because this time we have to divide this 18 by 2. After division symbol, number is 9. So this means we'll be recalling table of 9. So 9 2s are 18. So we'll be writing 2 in the second circle also. So answer is 2. Fine. Ashita, please unmute yourself. Ashita,
Yes, ma'am.
please read third bit.
6 multiplied by 30 is
6 multiplied by dash is equal to 30.
yes. 6 5 are 30.
Very good. So we should multiply 6 by 5, then only we will get 30. Okay, next one. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to how much?
5.
Very good. That's correct. We'll be writing 5 in the next circle also. Okay. Aditya Ram, please unmute yourself and read fourth bit.
8 2s are 16.
Fourth bit. Bit D. D for dog.
This one, Nana.
8 multiplied by. Adya, please sit properly.
8 5s are 40.
8 5s are 40. Very good. Here we will recall 8 table and we know that if we multiply 8 by 5, we will get 4040. This means 8 5s are 40. Okay. And 40 divided by 8 is equal to?
5.
Very good. So, answer. Now, next one. AVK Ganesh, please unmute yourself and read bit E. AVK Ganesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, bit E. 8 multiplied. What is the question? Read yourself.
8 multiplied
Dash is equal to?
16.
So 8, tell me, we should multiply 8 by which number to get 16? Call 8 table.
8 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16.
So when we are getting 16 in 8 table?
8 2s are 16, ma'am.
Yes. So we will write 2 in this first circle and another 2 in second circle because 16 divided by 8 is also 2. Okay. Akshat, please unmute yourself and read next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
4 multiplied 4 multiplied by dash equals to 40.
We should multiply 4 by which number to get 40?
5, ma'am.
Okay, 4 5s are 40. Good. Akshat, recall recall 4 table and tell me 4 5s are how much?
4 10s are 40.
Yes, 4 10s are 40. So we will write here 10. And what we should write in the next circle? 40 divided by 4 is equal to?
10.
Yes. Because again we will be recalling 4 table to see when we will get 40. Okay. Dhriti Reddy, please unmute yourself and read next bit.
Okay. 10 multiplied by dash equals to 50.
So, what should be the answer?
10 multiplied by 50.
10 multiplied by 50.
5.
Dhriti, tell me. 10 multiplied by 50 is equal to 50 or 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50?
10 multiplied by 5.
Okay, that's correct. So we will be writing here 5. And what we'll write in the second, okay, read after that. So 50.
Same, ma'am. 5.
Yeah, 50. Read that question. 50
50
divided,
multiplied by 10.
multiplied by 10. Is it multiplied?
50 divided by 10.
Yes, it is 50 divided by 10 is equal to?
5.
Yes. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. Okay. Aaron, please unmute yourself and read next question. Lohit, I'll get back to you. Aaron, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Last bit.
Last bit.
H bit.
I'll get back to you.
Please multiplied by 5 is equal to 15.
Very good. So if we will multiply 3 by 5, we will get 15 because 3 5s are 15. Right? Okay. And next, what is next? So 15.
15 divided by 3 is equal to 5.
Very good. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. You all should know how to read equation. Thank you, Aaron. Yes, Lohit?
Ma'am,
Yes.
to tell the answer.
Okay, fine, Lohit. You should wait for your turn. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, I hope nobody is writing because I gave sufficient time. And moreover, I was writing very slowly also. Okay, now, next one. Okay, children, so we'll start week 3 in your math course book. I'll tell you the page number. Open your math course book, children. And you have to open page number 12. Yes, children, please open page number 12 of your math course book. Write date and classwork. Today date is 2nd February 2021. I'll write date here. 221. Okay. Nityasri, what is the page number? Nitya, what is the page number?
98, ma'am.
Okay, page number 98.
No, ma'am, no.
Then?
Course book, beta.
This is page number 12 of your math course book, children, not of your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Please pay attention and listen carefully. I'm writing here. Page number 12 of your math course book, children. Page number 12. Okay. We'll start now. We have done this earlier also. What we have to do, we have to write the, okay, wait. I'll ask you to read. Devansh, please read this question for us.
Okay, ma'am. 6 multiply 7.
Write the division facts.
Okay, ma'am. 35.
Devansh, read the question first. Question number 1, write the division facts for.
Write the division fact for each given multiply fact.
Multiplication fact.
Multiplication fact. One has been done for you.
Good. Now, read what is there in the example.
Example, 12 multiplied 3 equals to 36.
Okay, then
36 plus 12
plus.
plus
No, that's not plus. Devansh, look at that symbol carefully and then tell me, is it plus symbol?
multiply, ma'am.
Multiply symbol.
Yes.
Is it 36 multiplied by 12?
No, ma'am. Is it equal?
Equal.
Yeah.
Devansh, I want you to read this one. You can read from your book also if it is not clear on your screen. What is this? 36?
36
Hmm.
divide.
Yes, this is division symbol. Look at your screen, children. Your division symbol looks like this. So this is not multiplication symbol. This is division symbol. So 36 divided by?
36 divide by
Divided
2
by 12.
equals to 3.
Okay, next one.
36 divide
By.
divided by
Divided
3
by.
plus
Plus.
3 plus 3
No, Devansh. 36 divided by 3.
that is 36 divided by 3 equals to 12.
Yes, so this is 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. Thank you, Devansh. Thanks for reading. Okay, children. So, what is there? If you will look at the example given in your book, you can see this is 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. And then we need to write division fact for this. I've told you whatever is the number after equal to symbol, or you can see whatever is the largest number. You will write that number first and then you will put division symbol after that number. Okay. Now, look at the first example. This is 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. So here biggest number is 3636. So what they did, they wrote 36 first, 36 and 36. Okay. After that, they put division symbol. You can see a division symbol. Now you can write either of these two numbers. Either you can write 12 or you can write 3. It's up to you. So in the first one, they wrote 12 after division symbol. So this is 36 divided by 12. And which number is left? Only 3 is left here. So we will write 3 after equal to sign. Okay. Now what we will do in the next fact, in the next division fact, we will interchange position of 3 and 12. It's only this much. Okay. Fine. C.H. Shreyan, please unmute yourself. C.H. Shreyan, will you tell me what will be the answer for bit A? Krishika, I'll get back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Read that question first.
5 into
7.
5 multiplied by 7 equal to 35.
Very good. This is 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. So what we will do is, we will write the biggest number first. Yes, Shreyan?
35 divided by 5
Very good. 35 divided by 5
equal to 7.
equal to 7. Very good. That's the correct answer. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Children, keep on writing answer. Yes, next division fact will be
35 divided by 7 equal to 5.
very good. This time we will interchange position of 5 and 7. Sorry. So next division fact will be 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Okay. That's the correct answer. Kartika Nalla, please read next question and unmute yourself. Yes, Kartika.
20 multiply 3 is is equal to
Hmm.
60.
Very good. This is 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to 60. Yeah. So what will be the division fact?
60
Very good. 60 because 60 is the biggest number here. Yeah, 60
divided by
divided by
20
20.
is equal to 3.
Very good. 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3. Okay, Kartika, next division fact. 60.
60
Yes.
divided by
Divided by
3
3.
is equals to 20.
Very good. 60 divided by 3 is equal to 2020. That's the correct answer. Very good. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Yes, Krishika ji, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, Krishika, you were raising your hand.
ma'am, you said that 36 divided by 12, no ma'am.
That was example. It's already done in your book.
Yes, ma'am, but we should write the answer.
What I wrote just now, you have to write these answers. That one is already done in your book.
Yes, ma'am, but
Yeah.
is equals to 3 is also answer, no ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, children, I hope you all have done till here. So we'll complete the next 2 bits now. I'm clearing this. Okay, fine. Lohit, please read next question. Bit C. Please unmute yourself, Lohit. Yes, Lohit. Third bit.
7 to 72 divided by 8.
First read question.
8
8.
90
8.
multiplied
Huh?
by